Here are some interesting facts you need to know about cats. Like and subscribe so your cat will like you. Number 5. Cats can see in the dark. They have 6 times the night vision of humans. Number 4. Cats cannot sweat. They have no sweat glands, so when they get hot, they pant like dogs. Number 3. A cat's purr is not always a sign of happiness. They also purr when they're stressed or in pain. Number 2. A cat's tongue is rough. It's made up of tiny backward-facing barbs that help remove dirt and dead skin from other cats. Number 1. Cats don't like to be hugged. It's a myth that they do. In fact, most cats prefer to be pet on the head or under the chin.